This is the chicken transport crate, also suitable for quails, ducks, and other small poultry. It features a secure locking mechanism designed to prevent animals from escaping. The crate door opens and closes easily and conveniently. Ventilation holes ensure fresh air circulation, reducing stress during transport. Its stackable design saves space, making it ideal for farms, markets, and logistics. Made from PP material, it is lightweight and easy to clean. It has high load-bearing strength and can be stacked in multiple layers.